And more trains. This is an update on the layout. Much has changed. Got two trains running at one time now. And this white is a tunnel. This is going to be like a permanent tunnel. But it's made out of foam. I still got a lot to do. This is my turbine running around in the tunnel. So this is what the beginning of the tunnel. Anyways, new ballast. This is grit. Now grit is at a farmhouse I go to. This grit looks like a little bit big, but it's matched. This is dull. This is wood granite. This is grit. It looks good, I think. So I might upgrade the layout in the grit, but other than that, got uncouplers. I ain't gonna show you now, but maybe in the next video or something. But that yard right there, I can switch out cars with this engine and have this train running at the same time. Pretty sweet. So well, let's catch our turbine here. This is the entrance of the tunnel we're going to. Yeah, I know the passenger cars don't match the turbine, so it's just hauling a little passenger train. But what I was testing was the clearance for both tunnel. A piggyback, Union Pacific piggyback, can just have clearance enough. So here she comes now. Just have a clearance. So if you like this video, push like, subscribe to my video, or click that notification so you can know that I've been posting videos, or for the next video. See you around. Bye.